Follow the steps on how to use the Wrinkle tool in Adobe Illustrator. First, I will prepare a horizontal and vertical rectangle like this. And fill color. Click Wrinkle tool. Double-click to open options. Set width and height. This can be adjusted based on the size of the object. Set horizontal and vertical according to the position of the object. Click and hold to make it like this. Double-click again and change to horizontal. Finished. Okay. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.